According to Draft NEP 2019 released recently, an estimated 6.2 crore children of school age between 6 and 18 years were out of school in 2015. One of the big reasons is lack of access to secondary schools. We have 8 lakh primary schools, grade 1 to 5, compared to which we have only 4 lakh upper primary schools, grade 6 to 8, and 1.6 lakh secondary schools, grade 9 to 10. Other major reasons include boys getting engaged in economic activities and girls in domestic activities at an early age. Children with special needs and children of migrant workers also find it difficult to continue their education in the traditional schools. If these children cannot come to school, then can we take the school to them? Large number of students attend classes that are being conducted in a language that they do not understand, causing them to fall behind before they even start learning. Is there a way that each child can be taught in home language or mother tongue? Smartphone penetration is exponentially increasing with an expected 50 crore users by 2022 from the present 35 crores. 4G connectivity is already covering 97% of the country, and at just Rs 12 per GB is the cheapest in the world. Can we use this technology to improve access to education for disadvantaged groups? Can we take the school? Can a child be taught in mother tongue? Can we reintegrate dropouts? Can we provide sure universal and inclusive education to all adults? Is there one solution to all these challenges? Yes, there is. Presenting Ask Vidyalaya, the Anytime Anywhere School. Ask Vidyalaya is a simple solution to the big education challenges. It is an app-based secondary school that functions just like a real school with class teachers, timetable, subject teachers, and regular assessment based on the principle of self-learning and personalized guidance. The Anytime Anywhere School is a mobile-based secondary schooling platform with 6,000 plus classes for all subjects for grades 6 to 10, where a child can now study anytime, anywhere without the constraints of location, finance, work. A child sitting in the remotest corner of Northeast, to a child forced to sit at home in Jammu, to a farmer's child helping his father in Bihar, to a child travelling long distance to attend school in Uttarakhand, now don't have an excuse for not continuing their schooling. Aas, which means hope in Hindi, has truly served to be a hope to the crores of children who are not going to school or are not getting proper education. Connecting Bharat with India as the power of e-learning is for the masses. With the robust platform and content in the backend, Ask Vidyalaya also provides brick and mortar education cafes, which can be set up at minimal cost in distant locations or schools. Students can attend classes that they have missed or not understood using personal tabs or attend group classes on desired topics.